Hi, good morning. This is Tommy, and this is Daily English Practice. So if you're watching my video today, I challenge you to make a short video every day speaking about anything in your life in 1 minute, post it to social media, and tag me there. So what do I have for you today? I'm going for a walk right now in this beautiful ancient town called Hoian ancient town, and this is my favorite place to go for the fresh air, the beautiful scenery. I know that a lot of people prefer to visit this ancient town in the evening because you see a lot. The colorful lanterns, the beautiful night market, like a lot of vendors just open in the evening. But for me, I prefer this. In the early morning, with this peaceful vibe, you see the narrow path behind me that let's go and explore with me. This path will lead you to the river, to the other side of the road. So we're right here by the river. Yeah, it is beautiful. Morning vibe, the breeze, the sunrise behind me. Even the dog, he loves this view, so he is sightseeing. We head into the Japanese bridge right there. Japanese bridge. It has just been renovated recently. You know, with its new look, the new color. When it's first being renovated, a lot of people judge, like they don't like the color of that. But then for sure, over the time they accepted it for what it is. So that's a story for this one. That's a lesson for this one, that when you make some changes, lots of people may not like the change, but then it's necessary. So just go and do it, no matter what they say, no matter how they like it. Just do it for you. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope you have a great day. Peace.